Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into how to set up an OpenVPN server using the HTTP Custom VPN app. This tutorial is perfect for improving your online privacy or bypassing restrictions securely and reliably. By the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Now let's get started. First, we need to create an OpenVPN configuration file. This file is essential as it contains all the details needed for your VPN connection. Open your browser on your phone or computer and type UDP Custom in the search bar. Press Enter, and from the results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward. On the home page, look for 3 small horizontal lines in the top right corner, commonly known as the hamburger icon. Click it and a menu will appear. From the options, select SSH servers. A submenu will pop up. From there, choose OpenVPN. Now let's create an account. You'll see a simple form. Start by entering a username of your choice. Next, verify that you're not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA, then click the Create Account button. Within seconds, your account will be created. After that, download the configuration files for TCP, SSL, or UDP, whichever you prefer. Remember to note down your username and password for later. These files will be saved in your Downloads folder, so keep track of where they're saved. Now that we have the configuration files, it's time to set up the HTTP Custom VPN app. Go to the Google Play Store on your device, search for HTTP Custom, and download the app. Install the latest version, which might take a minute, so be patient. Once installed, go back to your home screen and launch the app. When you open the app, you'll see a home screen with various options and protocols displayed. Tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner to open the menu, then select VPN settings under the connection section. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app interface. In the VPN settings section, tap the small plus icon in the bottom right corner. From the options that appear, select Open OVPN. This will allow you to import the configuration file we downloaded earlier. Navigate to your Downloads folder, find the file, whether it's TCP, UDP, or SSL, and select the one you want to use. Once imported, click on the Connect button. At this point, your VPN connection should start, and you'll be securely connected to the internet. If you'd like to customize your connection further, such as adding a custom payload or SNI, HTTP Custom VPN offers options for that too. You've successfully set up an OpenVPN server using HTTP Custom VPN. I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.